everybody, Papa Jack here. We're out in the middle of the Great Salt Lake on Antelope Island. We're going to be cooking up some scrambled eggs on a Pro 60 with a 12-inch skillet. All right, we got our cast iron skillet heating up on low. We're going to add a little butter. Okay, maybe a lot of butter. So we'll throw some butter in there. Get that rolling. Woo! Woo! Hey, quick little tip for you guys. If you ever do crack an egg and you get a shell in there, all you gotta do is take that half, dip it on in there, and dip that shell right out. All right, so we got our butters all melted. We got a nice little, just small sizzle going. We don't want to cook this too quickly. Take our eggs. I always mix my eggs in one direction. That just keeps, not a boy band, yeah, whatever. Anyway, one direction, here we go. I do it one direction just to keep all the protein strands together. This is the way I do it. I'm not necessarily saying that's better, but that's just the way I do it. All right, notice I didn't salt and pepper that, and I'll tell you why in just a second. But go ahead and just add your eggs in there. Woo! Probably a little warmer than I even like to go, but it's gonna be just fine. We're just gonna keep that stirring up right like that. Cooking too quickly for you, just go ahead and take them off the heat. Keep stirring them up. All right, notice they're still pretty wet. That's when we want to pull them off. You don't want to overcook these at all. And so now that we're at that point, we are finished cooking. We want to slow down that. We're going to put some cold sour cream in there. You can put some cheese, put some milk, even put water if you want. So that's going to slow that cooking process down. Yeah, after you get it all cooked, now you want to salt and pepper it. There's no way to test how much salt and pepper you put in it if you do it raw, right? And the other thing is, that'll keep, when you salt the eggs, it's gonna break down that protein and your eggs are gonna actually start to get watery. So if you've ever seen eggs that are watery, that's caused by salting in them at the beginning. So now that I've salted, they're all done. Dang, those are good. I think we go a little bit more salt. When I'm salting, I just want to be able to just barely taste the salt. Again, make things your own. If you want to put some cheese in here, you want to put some onions in here. I like cayenne pepper, so we'll put a little cayenne pepper on top of that. Nice, soft, not overcooked. These are going to be awesome. That hits the spot right there.